Menta pa.
Oy, magkidlat!
Ay, kaya mag-step! Wala rin hindi!
Macho, Jok, macho!
Candidate number 1. Palakpakan naman.
Quiet lang.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Georgina Kimberly Taylor from Diabetes Campaign. Diabetes, a condition wherein you have high blood sugar level. Anyway, may kasabihan ko, 1 apple a day makes 7 apple a week. That's all. Thank you.
Sorry, guys.
Candidate number 2.
Major! Hello, sir! Nagmula sa langit. Nabulog sa lupa.
Yan, modelo ng Charingon. Yung modelo ng Charing Kanson.
Hiniwala sa kasabihan, wag na wag magwawalis paggabi kung wala namang dumi.
Candidate number 3.
Luya sa mga Guys, yung ka-step ka muna.
Good evening. This is Ruby. Are you currently using a cane, a walker, or a traditional wheelchair? Ay, mali. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na ang mga pangit sa makeup kumakapit. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely contestants for the search for Miss Diabetes 2010.
Hoy, Job, next time, dahilya ka! Iipag-el mo sa mga pangit.
Buti na wala siya.
Hoy, that's kami! Best friend kami sa
Right, Sophia?
Talent na.
Now we proceed to the talent portion. May we call on candidate number 1. Nasudaya yun.
Dali, seryoso. Sige.
And as long as the star shines down from heaven, long as the
Okay, thank you, contestant number 1. Now, may we call on contestant number 2.
Ay, chineprops.
Ano?